Okay, here we have the UAV open, and you would notice here on the tab that it's in the explore state. Okay, we are going to open this UAV fully now with the shape and any FEM representations that might already be there in the UAV. So we right click on it and we can either say open, or we can select open with and open advanced, so that we can specify our preference that we want to open all representations that are there in this UAV dataset. So we select OK and it will open the UAV. Now the UAV is open. I'm going to hide the finite element representations first, so that we can see different geometric features. So notice here that we have different ribs available. We have pylon bulkheads, we have body bulkheads, etc. During the conceptual design phase, we need to figure out how many number of ribs, how many number of bulkheads we need to meet product requirements. We also need to figure out the correct rib angle and material thickness. Our product requirements have constraints on the local buckling on the surface of the wings, and it also has constraints on the winglet tip deflection in this region. At the same time, we want to minimize the weight of this UAV and associated cost. So the value of simulation here is that simulation can replace lengthy and extensive prototype building, and testing can simply remain as a final validation step.